Hello, I am Dr. Ganesh Nallur Shivu. I am a senior interventional cardiology consultant at Kaveri Hospitals in Bangalore. I graduated from Bangalore Medical College in the year 2000. Following this, I went to UK to do my MRCP in medicine. After this, I did my cardiology training at the All Wales Cardiology Institute in Wales. Then I did my interventional cardiology fellowships at Cardiff and Swansea. I am specialized in all conditions related to the heart, and I see any patients who have symptoms suggestive of heart disease, like any patients who are having chest pain, breathlessness, palpitations, or their heart racing, any swellings in the arms or limbs, and also easy fatigability. All these are symptoms of heart disease. Patients mainly with heart disease have either coronary artery disease, which we call as normally, and heart failure. Patients with coronary artery disease present with either major catastrophe like an acute heart attack, wherein patient has a severe chest pain, and this has to be treated in an emergency manner in order to save someone's life. The other way that coronary artery disease can present is through angina, wherein patient develops a gradual chest pain, and mainly chest pain on walking up a hill or on an incline. The other conditions that we treat are mainly heart failure patients. This is a condition wherein the heart fails to do its function as a pump to pump the blood around the body, and hence fluid accumulates everywhere, starting from the legs to the lungs and also in the abdomen. So these patients present with breathlessness on exertion, and also present with swelling in the lower limbs and swelling in the abdomen. At Kaveri Hospital, we have the state-of-art equipment within the cardiology department. We have installed the latest Philips Azurion C12 cath lab, which has the high-end heart navigator, which allows us to do the really advanced cardiac interventions, including TAVI, which is a transaortic valve implantation, and also aortic stenting. So apart from cardiac work at Kaveri, we also do non-coronary work. So we do peripheral angioplasty, which involves angioplasty of the lower limbs, angioplasty of the kidney arteries or the renal arteries, angioplasty of the abdominal arteries, including the celiac arteries, and we also do abdominal aortic stenting. Then we are also involved in doing angioplasty of the carotid vessels. We are also adept at doing permanent pacemakers, internal cardiovascular defibrillators, and also CRT devices. We also undertake a lot of pediatric work, which mainly involves ASD closure devices, VSD closure, and PDA closure devices. We also undertake electrophysiological studies at Kaveri Hospitals and treat arrhythmia conditions like NSVT and ventricular tachycardia.